Welcome to Soul Growth Stories, a sanctuary where we explore the fragile beauty of the human heart and its healing. Imagine a life that feels perfect and complete, standing tall like a precious vase, admired by everyone who passes by. But life is unpredictable, and in a single heartbeat, the stability we once knew can slip right through our fingers. It crashes down with a deafening sound, shattering into countless sharp fragments that scatter across the floor of our existence. Liam sits there, frozen in total silence, unable to move or process the sudden destruction that lies beneath his feet. The world often teaches us how to run the race, but it forgets to teach us how to stop completely. We are never truly prepared for the moment when our hearts break and the familiar world crumbles into dust. Everyone outside is moving so fast, rushing towards their next goal, while you are stuck here, staring at the wreckage. We often feel an urgent need to forget the pain, wanting to wipe away the ugly scars immediately and move on. So Liam decides to fix it quickly, believing that if he acts fast enough, nobody will notice the damage done. He tries to glue the pieces back together in a rush, his hands trembling with anxiety and the fear of judgment. In his haste, he cuts himself deeply, but he chooses to ignore the bleeding, pretending that everything is perfectly fine. The result is a distorted version of the past, held together by force, looking nothing like the beautiful original vase. He puts on a brave face, dressing up to meet the world, wearing a mask of happiness to hide reality. At the party, he laughs loudly and talks endlessly, trying desperately to prove to everyone that he has fully recovered. But beneath the table,
his unhealed wound opens up again, bleeding because he is pushing himself far too hard today. Trying to forget a deep pain too early is like forcing a broken bone to run a difficult marathon today. The facade eventually cracks, and Liam finds himself walking alone, realizing that pretending to be okay is exhausting work. He returns to the mess he made and realizes that the forced repair was futile, only making things look worse. It breaks again, and this time, he surrenders to the truth, admitting that he cannot rush this delicate healing process. You cannot force the spring flowers to bloom when the cold winter has not yet finished its long, freezing course. Liam finally stops fighting the pain, deciding to pick up each shard gently and cleaning them with great care. He lays them out on soft velvet, acknowledging that these broken pieces are still valuable parts of his own story. He begins to practice the art of waiting, brewing tea slowly and allowing himself to simply breathe in the moment. There is no need to run anymore. He watches the rain wash the world, finding peace in the slow rhythm. The wound on his hand is no longer bleeding. It has started to close up naturally because he stopped picking it. Just like nature, healing takes time. You must water the soil of your soul and wait for the growth to happen. Liam learns that he does not have to forget the pain. He only needs to learn how to live with it. He returns to the broken vase, not with anger or haste, but with a newfound patience and a steady hand. This time, he chooses a different method. He prepares the gold powder and lacquer, ready to embrace the ancient art. He mixes the gold with the glue, understanding that the repair itself will become part of the object's new history. With a steady hand, he applies the golden mixture to the broken edges, treating every crack with honor and respect. He joins the pieces together, not trying to hide the break, but highlighting it as a testament to survival. Hours turn into days, but Liam does not rush. He allows the time to act as the true binding agent. Slowly, the vase begins to take shape again, but it is no longer the same object it was before the fall. He steps back to look at his creation, feeling a sense of peace that he could never find in rushing.
The cut on his hand has become a faint scar, a quiet reminder of the pain that has now passed. The vase stands whole again, but now it wears its history proudly, the gold line shimmering in the afternoon sun. It is stronger at the broken places. The gold has not just fixed it, it has added value and beauty. The room that was once a scene of disaster is now a place of creation, centered around this symbol of resilience. Liam breathes in the fresh air, realizing that he has come out of the storm with a newfound sense of strength.
The perfection of the past is gone, but something far more interesting and profound has taken its place in his life. He understands now that his own scars are not ugly marks to be hidden, but proof that he has healed. He places a flower inside, showing that despite the cracks, the vase can still hold life, beauty, and purpose within. Time does not heal everything on its own, but it gives you the necessary space to heal your own self. We all carry broken pieces within us. We all have moments where we feel shattered on the floor of life. Don't rush your pain. Don't hide your cracks. Let them breathe. Give yourself the kindness you would give a friend. In the end, your scars will be your most beautiful parts, shining like gold in the tapestry of your life. You are not broken beyond repair. You are simply in the process of becoming a masterpiece of resilience and grace. The sun sets in the old version of you, and tomorrow it will rise on someone who is stronger and wiser. Embrace your journey. Embrace the time it takes, and remember that there is gold waiting to be found in your scars. Thank you for joining us on this journey of healing. May you find the patience to mend your own heart. Your story is not over just because you broke. It is simply beginning a new, more beautiful chapter of life. Take all the time you need. There is no deadline for healing. You are exactly where you need to be. Believe in the beauty of your transformation. Your past pain is the gold that holds your future self together. If this story touched your heart, please share it with someone who might need to hear this message today. We are Soul Growth Stories, dedicated to helping you grow through the challenges and triumphs of the human experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a story that feeds your soul. We appreciate your time and your presence here. Keep growing, keep healing, and keep shining your light on the world. Thank you for watching Soul Growth Stories. Remember to let your soul breathe, for your scars are your beautiful gold.